Hey, welcome. Really glad you're here. The secret to a great espresso martini? Fresh espresso pulled right before you shake. That crema on top. That's what gives you the velvet foam. Let's build it. 50 milliliters of vodka. Go for something clean, nothing too sweet. 30 milliliters of coffee liqueur. Kahlúa is classic. Mr. Black is phenomenal. 10 milliliters of simple syrup. You can adjust that to your taste. And then 30 milliliters of your fresh espresso still hot. Big handful of ice. Don't be shy with it. That temperature contrast, that's part of the magic. Now shake it, and I mean really shake it. Hard for at least 15 to 20 seconds. You want that tin to feel freezing in your hand. You want to hear the ice breaking down. That friction, that's what builds your foam. This step is where a forgettable drink becomes something people actually talk about. Strain into your chilled coupe and just watch that foam come up. 3 coffee beans on top, the classic finish. They stand for health, wealth, and happiness. Or honestly, just a really, really good drink. Got a twist on this? A question? Drop it in the pinned comment. I read every single one. And if you want more recipes like this, you already know where to find them.